Today we're going to talk about covalent compounds. A covalent compound is made when two or more non-metal atoms bond by sharing valence electrons. When they share, if there are four types of sharing: single, double, triple, and coordinate. They are also known as molecular compounds, which they are neutral.
In the covalent compounds, you'll need prefixes, which are 1, mono, 2, di, 3, 3, 4, theta, 5, penta, 6, hexa, 7, hepta, 8, octa, 9, nona, and 10, deca. To distinguish between a covalent and ionic compound, there's 3 steps. First of all is to count the uppercase letters, which in this case is these letters. Then, if it's 3 or more, then it's a ionic compound. The second step is check for subscripts, which in this case are the prefixes that look like this. And if it's more than 4, then it's a covalent compound. And the third step is check for metals, which in this case you can just check your periodic table.
Here I've done some examples for you to understand how to name the compounds. So first you need to check the uppercases. In here you check that these are 2 uppercases, so it will not be an ionic. Here you check that here has 2 uppercases too, and it could be a covalent, but you need to check the other rules. Then you need to check the subscripts. Here you have 3, so it will not be a covalent because a covalent has to be more than 4. And then here you have 6, so it will be a covalent. Then you need to check for the metals. In here you have classified it as a covalent. Then the metals in here, as you already checked, you don't have anything of these rules applied. So you need to check the last one. In here, manganese, it is a metal, so it will be an ionic compound. Then you will name it Mn, which is manganese. As you already know how to cross them, the 3 will be in the Roman, and then the I will be iodide. As you already know, it will always end as IDE. Then in the S, it will be disulfur. Why? Because in the subscript it is 2, and as you already know the prefixes, 2 is D. And hexafluoride, it will be F6, so hexa is of 6, and it will be ending in IDE.